Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So the main reason I want to use texture sets is because you can essentially plug in your add-on into your map creations. So today I'm gonna be talking about textures, how to import them into your game, and how to create texture sets. So these are my textures for this video. I only chose two names. So this is my empty texture WAD. Let's pretend this is my add-on. I'm gonna just drag and drop my textures into it between these two markers. So now it's all green. I'm gonna Control S and save everything. And I could just copy everything into my main WAD. And once you load your map, you could see all of your textures. But for now, let's delete these textures of ours and let's leave them in my WAD. So if you open Doom Builder, Tools, Game Configurations and choose your preferred game configuration, I can just add resource and insert my add-on WAD into my game. And now it reloads and I have my textures as well into my game without uploading them into my main archive. But if I have thousands of textures in my game, I'm gonna be needing to have them categorized in my Doom Builder via texture sets. So to create a texture set, you gotta open your Doom Builder installation folder, go configurations, includes, and find Doom texture sets configuration file. Now you copy it and rename it. So that was original texture sets file for Doom Builder. There are 15 sets. So to make it more compatible, we're gonna start with set 16. We're gonna give it a name and then we're gonna put filters on it. Since there are a lot of textures with the same name, the star means 0 matches or more characters. So like metal star means metal, metal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna save this one. We can close it now and go back into configurations. Now I myself often use ZDoom Doom in hexagon game format. So I'm gonna copy this one and rename it. Now if I open it up and scroll down, at the bottom of this config you're gonna see includes Doom texture set. Since I've made my own, I'm gonna rename texture sets. Now we have a new game configuration which includes our new texture set. You also gotta rename this one. As well, in our includes folder, the new texture set configuration file which we just created, we need to add more numbers to the filters because both zeros and they overlap. Let's save it and close it. And now once we load our Doom Builder again, we press F6 and there's our new game format. Let's go to textures and this is our new texture set. So if you make a new changes in the includes folder, you gotta remove that and add the default set so it would update. So now let's copy this one into our main configuration and let's pass that in. And now if we check our textures, we find a new set with two types of names. One H Agony and the other H Skull. So I just found a typo in my texture name, so it was supposed to be H Skull and all of the rest of them are named SUKLL. So instead of renaming all of them and remaking everything, I'm gonna go to my includes folder. I'm gonna find my new configuration file and I'm gonna add a new filter. Let's not forget, give it a new number and let's give it a new definition. So again we have a new texture prefix with a star after it. Let's save it and close it. And once we launch our game, we go to Tools and Game Configurations. Let's select our new game configuration and go to Textures. This is our old texture set. We gotta remove this one and add new defaults. So this one will have the third filter which we just added. So let's copy it. Let's go back to our main game configuration, delete our old one, and let's paste that in. Hit OK. And now we have all of our textures in our new set. To export that, let's go back to configurations folder in ZDoom Builder installation, and let's copy our new game configuration and includes folder. And let's find our main WAD. Once we found it, let's create a new folder. Let's call it my add-on. Let's pass that WAD in and let's paste everything here. Delete everything except our newly created configuration. And now we have our new texture, and now we have a new texture sets configurations which we can use with our add-on. So to recap, we took all of our textures, we've added them into our WAD, we've imported our WAD as a resource in our game configuration, in includes folder of Doom Builder 2 installation destination. We've created our texture set with filters. Then we newly created our game configuration. We have renamed it and included our new texture set. After that, we found our new game configuration with our texture set. We've copied that into our game configuration and we've relaunched our Doom Builder. I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable. I see you in the next one.